Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a website using Wix. First, navigate to the Wix website and sign up for a free account. You will then be prompted to choose a template, which serves as the foundation for your site's design. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed templates across various categories, ensuring you find one that perfectly suits your needs. This initial step is crucial for setting the right tone and visual appeal for your online presence. Once your template is selected, it's time to personalize your website. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to easily move, resize, and arrange elements on any page. You can upload your own high-quality images and videos to showcase your brand or products. Experiment with different fonts, color schemes, and background options to create a unique and professional look that truly reflects your vision. This customization ensures your site stands out. Now, let's enrich your website with compelling content and powerful features. Easily add text boxes, image galleries, and video players to engage your visitors. Explore the Wix app market, which offers over 300 professional apps to extend your site's functionality. Whether you need an online store, a booking system, or a live chat feature, you can integrate it seamlessly. These additions transform your basic site into a dynamic and interactive platform. The final steps involve preparing your website for launch and ensuring it can be found online. Connect your custom domain name to give your site a professional address. Utilize Wix's built-in SEO tools to optimize your pages with relevant keywords and descriptions, helping search engines discover your content. Once you are satisfied with every detail, simply click the Publish button to make your stunning new website live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.